Control objective. The aim or the purpose of particular aspect of controls and control objects relate to risk that controls seek to mitigate. The aim or purpose of particular aspect of control. Okay. And the control objective related to risk that control seeks to mitigate. So for a specific risk, we have specific control. Example, cash. 100% cash to be counted every day. So cash 100% to be counted every day. The end of day, we need to control 100% cash. Counted and verified. So that is the most important thing. This is a control. Why this control? Specific control. Why the specific control we have? Because cash is a liquid asset. If lost, that must be responsible party to be held responsible. Okay. So that's why we are having cash as the most important. Such a way, this control objective for every asset they have certain kind of controls. Let us we should pay this many days credit us. Let us we need to get the money this many days credit us. We can pay this many days stock. This stock should be held this many times. Such a kind of controls is control objective for that maintaining the asset, maintaining the employees. We have certain rules and regulation for specific thing. We have specific thing that specific controls. That's what it been this control objective.